Yardi Voyager tutorial, everything you need to know. So hey everyone, in this quick guide we are covering everything you need to know to get started with Yardi Voyager, the powerful property manager platform used by real estate pros worldwide. Let's jump in. So Yardi Voyager is a cloud-based property management and accounting system. It's built for managing residential, commercial real estate portfolios from leasing and maintenance to full financial reporting. And here are the core tools you'll use every day. So, first of all, the dashboard can view portfolio summaries and key reports, and the property and tenant management is for track leases, payments, and track leases, payments, and tenant details. And on work orders, you can create, assign, and close maintenance tasks. You can manage invoices and rent collection on account payable or receivable. And on the reporting section, you can generate real-time financials, rent rolls, and owner reports. And you can know here's the basic daily flow. You can log in and check your dashboard alerts. You can review rent payments and apply them, and you can handle any open maintenance request. You can run financial or occupancy reports. You can also update any new lease info on tenants changes, and you can use the search bar to find anything fast, set up recurring tasks, and bookmark key reports or screen for quick access. And that's it. Here the Voyager can seem complex at first, but once you get your flow down, it's a powerhouse for property management. Like this video if it helped, and drop your questions below. See you on the next one.